Okay guys, for admin officer GSIC exam, there is a lot of confusion on whether there will be direct interview or there will be written exam before the interview. So there is a lot of confusion, और ऐसा confusion क्यों है? Because of two reasons. The reason number one is that UPSC has not disclosed the syllabus in the notification. Since syllabus is not disclosed, तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि written exam नहीं हो. What is the second reason? Second reason is that there is something which is written in the notification which is creating confusion. Let us look at that. This is official notification from UPSC regarding GSI exam, and as you can see that there are 9 vacancies for the post of administrative officer with Geological Survey of India, Ministry of Mines. Now in the same notification, if you go to page 9, what you will see that UPSC has written that in the event of number of applicants being large, the commission will adopt some shortlisting criteria. Okay, and then number of criteria are given. So based on this, people are under the impression that some shortlisting will be done and there will be a direct interview. So guys, this understanding is wrong. Please be assured that definitely there will be a written exam for admin officer GSI exam. Let us look at previous notification of admin officer GSIC only, which came in the year 2018. So this came in April 2018. You can see point number 6, 16 vacancies of administrative officer GSI with Ministry of Mines. So in earlier notification also, if you go to page 17, you will see that same thing is written that in the event of application being large, commissioner will adopt a shortlisting criteria. So guys, this content in the notification is same. In 2018 also written exam was conducted. It was conducted on 23rd of September 2018. So guys, how this process is done by UPSC? How do they decide that whether there will be written exam or direct interview? So this is based on number of applicants. So what is that cutoff number that below which there is a direct interview? We do not know, but I'll put up some data in front of you. In the 2018 exam, there were 16 vacancies, and for the 16 vacancies, 1037 students appeared. So as you can see, even though number was close to 1000 only, still written exam was conducted. So now in 2021, rather 22, there are 9 vacancies. We are expecting that this number of applicants is going to be much higher than 1000. Definitely it will be. Recently ESIC DD exam aspirants applied, and eligibility is almost similar to admin officer GSI exam. In that approximately 27,000 students have applied. So what do we understand from this? That number of applicants is definitely going to be higher than even 1000. Even if there are 1000, still there will be a written exam. Coming back to your original question, if there is a written exam, why there is no syllabus? So guys, in most of the recruitment exams, UPSC announces the syllabus once they finalize the exam date. And you can see this in 2018 as well. So guys, in 2018, the application came out in April 2018. Students applied in month of April. Then another notice came up around the month of July or August that a written exam will be conducted. It will be conducted on 23rd. And in this notice, detailed syllabus was given, which is given here. Again, this time also another notification will come out that will have detailed syllabus, which is likely to be same. But the only thing is that usually this notification comes out 1 to 2 months before the exam only, and then you do not get any window to prepare. So what our advice is that start preparing, make sure that you complete your syllabus in next 3-4 months, and Whenever exam is announced, you'll be ready for that. Let us now understand how Human Peritus will support you in cracking Admin Officer GSIC exam. Our preparation plan is composed of 4 components. Component number 1. First, we'll send you printed concise booklets via courier at your home. Through these printed booklets, you'll be able to cover entire syllabus in a very short span of time. Please note that the current affairs are also included. Component number 2, next, will give you access to recorded videos of entire course Admin Officer GSI. Please note that these classes were conducted specially for UPSC recruitment exams. You are welcome to check the style and quality of teaching by looking at few demo videos which are available on our website. Let me show you where you can find these recorded videos. Go to website of Human Peritus, go to GSI Admin Officer page. Once you are on the GSI page, in the middle of this page, you will find various recorded videos of our classes. Component number 3, next, will give you access to an online question bank of more than 7,000 questions. Let me show you how it looks like. Once you log in with username and password, this is how it looks like. There are 3 important points about this online question bank. Number 1, this question bank includes all previous year papers of various recruitment exams of UPSC like Admin Officer, ALC, APFC, EPFO, ESIC, etc. Plus, we also have made available other UPSC exams like NDA, CDS, Civil Services Prelims, etc. Plus, there are new questions by our team. Second important point, please note that we have subdivided these 7,000 questions in approximately 150 subtopics. For example, let us look at the topic of human resource management. As you can see that there are 34 questions only on the topic of compensation management. Similarly, there are 61 questions on performance management and appraisal. We can also look at another topic, maybe we can look at Indian polity. Under Indian polity, you can see that there are 18 questions only on election commission, 13 questions on UPSC and SPSC. Similarly, you can see that there are 107 questions on Indian Parliament. This is how we have broken down entire question bank in approximately 150 subtopics. Why we did it? So that you have flexibility to focus only on those areas where you feel the need. Third important point about this question bank. Please note that these questions are not only with answer but a detailed explanation with every question. You can see that in front of you. Thus, this question bank is not only to assess you but also to make you learn with every question. Component number 4. Finally, when your entire syllabus is over, will make you go through 8 full-length, fresh mock test papers. These mock test papers will be computer-based, just like actual UPSC exam. Please note that if you go through these 4 components with us, you need not touch any other book, not even previous year papers, nothing else. Just go through whatever we ask you to do and you are ready for the exam. You can completely depend upon us for your success. So, how you can enroll? Go to website of Human Peritus, then go to GSIC page. First, understand the entire structure of program. You can also look at few demo recorded classes which are given in the middle of the page. You can also look at sample study material which is given over here. If interested, you can enroll using these green buttons. If there are any doubts, you can get back to us via email or phone. We also have given 2 links in the description below. The first link is for GSI page on our website. There is another link. If you click on that, that will connect you with our team directly via WhatsApp. You can discuss, you can ask anything which you want. Feel free to Let us know if you have any queries. All the best. Thank you.